Guess what, y'all? We're finally headed to the Bahamas. That's right, we're going to Bimini. But first, we have a 10-day journey down the west coast of Florida, through the Keys, and up towards Angelfish Creek. Said goodbye to our friends and our home, and we're not going to be back for a while. I bought a new 4-horsepower Yamaha outboard engine. Don't come at me, it was the only one I could start by myself. I also sold the old 9.8 horsepower Nissan that always sucked for a pretty good amount of money to help finance the new one. Then I decided to restore safe mode instead of buying a new dinghy because she's made out of Hypalon and is tough as nails. She did need a few patches, and then I custom tinted some Flex Seal to repair the old transom. Then I covered the entire dinghy with a coat of Flex Seal spray. Now she holds air, matches the Reboot, and I don't get powdery white chalk all over me every time I sit down on it. All in all, I am super happy with how safe mode looks now. Then I spent about a month provisioning. I plan to take enough food for at least 60 days, which for me is usually enough food for a year because I tend to overbuy. Every nook and cranny of the Reboot is now stuffed with food, dog food, and toilet paper.
Day one of our Big Bahamas adventure. I don't know how far we're going to get, but I can't wait to get there.
Follow along as we accidentally rock up next to a super yacht, have some medical issues, cross the Gulf Stream, and explore the Bahamas for the first time ever. See you out there.